Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Cowboy B over here at Wet Jet Performance. You're gonna hear some road noise in the back because we're right by the road and it's traffic time, but I wanted to show you this. Check this out. This is our version of the slick spray. It has marine coating in it because side-by-sides don't really go in water. So if you look at this was sprayed over 2 months ago, and this has been in the water. So this area is black, and look what it used to look like. We'll come to the front where it was at. We only sprayed that area just to show you that with about 10 hours of riding, this is what it still looks like. So, it looks awesome. All I'm gonna do is take this rag, wipe down this area just to get the dust off of it. And I'll show you how good it works and how good it locks in. Here. Ideally, you want this out in the sun, let it sit and bake and lock on. It's only about 50 degrees here in Texas right now, but we just wanted to show you before and after. And this is meant for marine applications. This is not meant for land, but you can use it on land, will last longer. But we added some things to keep it marine and keep it so it locks on and you don't have to redo this every time you ride. You need to renew your faith if you're one of those people who are anal and you like being jet black all the time. Do not spray this in the footwells, because the footwells where you stick your traction mats, you will have to purge this out before the traction mats will stay, because if you spray this down and your footwells 303 or anything, it locks in there, and when it gets hot, it releases from the plastic, and even when it gets wet, so it's gonna make your mat pull up. So if you got any type of 303 or any slick spray from us on there, you need to purge it out first. Like put some water in there, put some mineral spirits, let it rise out. You'll see the water turn rainbow, dump it, then put the mineral spirits on the plastic, strip it, you'll see it again. And do it till you don't see any rainbows. When you put that water in there with the mineral spirits, you shouldn't see any rainbows. But as you see, it's really, really faded. And it's turning jet black. So this is the way to go if you want it to look good all the time. So we'll have a video where we're gonna do this whole ski, make it jet black after we get all the wrap pieces on here we want. That's why we're not doing that area back there, because we got a wrap piece that's gonna go over there. We're not gonna wrap the outside. We're actually gonna paint the ski. So that area in there is going to be wrapped. But we just wanted to show you what we got going on here. And let me hit it one more time just so you can believe in it. And as you saw, that spot up there was a spot that we sprayed over 3 months ago. Just kept riding with that one spot so we could spot it easier than just putting it all over the ski. So this works dramatically better than what you can buy on the market, and they only sell it here at Wet Jet Performance. It's not the same one that you get, the slick spray that goes on the side-by-sides. It's our formula that we work with them, and we only sell it here, and we sell it at PWC people at the dealerships that get it from us. So this has been Cowboy B. Hope you like what you see at the new Wet Jet Performance. I'm out of here. Peace.